Top 10 Car Wash in Saskatoon. 1. Orange Car Wash 8-bay wand wash and high-speed touchless drive-thru auto wash, 4.8, 201 reviews, Idylwyld Drive-In. 2. Morning Car Wash, 4.5, 1110 reviews, Grey Avenue. 3. Saskatoon Wash World, 4.5, 474 reviews, 66th Street. 4. Pristine Car Wash, 4.5, 325 reviews, Aspen Pl. 5. Golf's Car Wash, 4.4, 688 reviews, Arlington Avenue. 6. JJ's Express Car Wash 51st, 4.4, 540 reviews, 51st Street. 7. Classic Car Wash, 4.4, 355 reviews, 33rd Street West. 8. Lawson Auto Spa, 4.3, 163 reviews, Cree Crescent. 9. Saskatoon Wash World Truck and RV Wash, 4.3, 128 reviews, Faithfull Avenue. 10. Spiffy Car Wash, 4.2, 480 reviews, Melville St.